Hi, Rick Dulai, Remax Metropolitan. Today I want to talk to you about pre-listing home inspections. This is probably my number one tip for sellers, whether they're using a professional or selling on their own. Hire a home inspector to perform a full inspection on your property before you put it on the market. Why would you want to do that? Well, here's a couple of reasons. Number one, you can identify repair and maintenance issues. This will give you an opportunity to take care of these issues before you go on the market. That makes for smoother showings and a much easier home inspection down the road from a potential buyer. Number two, you're eliminating the buyer's negotiating power. Often buyers will use home inspection results to renegotiate the price or terms of the contract. You want to avoid this at all costs. Having done a home inspection up front, you know exactly what to anticipate when a buyer does a home inspection. And if there was an issue up front, you already took care of it, the buyer has nothing to negotiate with. So now you can hold on to your price. The thing is, people don't realize when buyers find problems, to them in their head, it's a huge problem and they want to really increase the cost of that repair so they can bring your price down. So to avoid letting them do that, catch any issues up front, take care of them on your dime up front so that the buyer isn't using that against you and exaggerating the cost in order to get a better deal. Number three, you can have peace of mind. Not only will you have peace of mind that issues that a buyer could use against you have been taken care of, but you also have peace of mind in the fact that if there was a problem and you found it ahead of time, you and your family are living in a safe home. For example, you may find a leak in the roof that's started some mold in the attic. Knowing that before you go on the market so that you can remediate it properly isn't just to remove the buyer's negotiating power. Don't you want to know that so you can take care of it and live in a safe home? I am certain that doing a pre-listing home inspection will help you get top dollar for your home. It costs anywhere from $300 to $500 depending on the size of your home. It could be a little more, a little less. But that peace of mind and that negotiating power that you gain is well worth it. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Have a great day.